Hi there everyone, my name is Preetam and I warmly welcome you all to Negitech. In today's video, we are going to take a look at a pair of earbuds that have made quite an impression since their launch. Yes, I am talking about Apple AirPods 2, which I got absolutely free. I will be unboxing them and will share my initial thought. Also, I will share with you the secret of how you can get these AirPods for free if you are planning to buy a Macintosh or MacBook. Now, before we go in that direction, let's focus on unboxing first. So let me quickly show you. These I actually ordered day before yesterday from Apple website and they really shipped very fast. And these one are the personalized, means that I have personalized engraving on these AirPods. And as I said before, these I got for 0 rupees. So let me quickly open this packet. So let's see what is inside this box. So here is Apple invoice and this is the box. Now let me also unbox this. There we go. Here we can see the AirPod inside this box. The packaging they have provided such that the AirPod does not get damaged. Now here we go. Here we can also see the price. It shows 15,000. Okay. Now let's unbox it. And you can see designed by Apple in California. This comes with this user manual. So let me keep them aside. And then a pair of AirPods which have my custom engraving. So let me keep them aside and let's see what else comes with this box. Okay, so this box also comes with this lightning connector, which I had doubt whether Apple will provide this charging cable or not. Now let me show you this AirPod, which looks like this, and let's open it up. So now let me place it aside, and there we go. We can see both AirPods. Okay, so this is how these AirPods look, and let me try to shake up my head and see whether they fall off or not. Okay, so seems like they are still there in my ear, so that's a good thing. Now let's talk about how you can get these AirPods for free. It's all thanks to student account used to purchase my Mac Mini. For that, here you need to visit this Apple website and then I'm gonna choose India, and then below here you will find this offer. You can take advantage of this offer by verifying your student status online. It is very easy process, I would say. And just like that, you can get your own AirPod 2 for absolutely free with your Mac purchase. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for such content, and I will catch you soon in my next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.